Hello everyone. How everyone here is fine and stay safe in such a global pandemic. Today I'd like to talk about uh, how we can write down the phone number correctly in the cell. Normally, when we write down the phone number, for example, if the phone number that you want to write in the cell is starting by 0, normally it will not be reflected. The 0, I mean, will not be reflected. So the question here, there is any formula in Excel that could make it happen and make the cell starts by 0? For sure. The answer here is yes. We have two formulas. The first one is lane and second one is text. But please, you have to understand the language of Excel or the language of formula is equal to. If you want to write down any formula in Excel, you have to write down equal to. And this is a good way in order to learn the formula correctly. So here, the first thing that I have to do, I have to know how many numbers within the cell. So let's try to do it. Firstly, I have to write down equal to lane, okay, double click, and the argument here we have just one argument. The argument here, this cell. So click, here we have the number, guys. Just what we have to do, let's make it and use text function is equal to text function. Okay, here we have two arguments. The first one is value and second one is format text. As we said, the cell contains 10 numbers, which means we have to write down 10 zeros or hash. It's better to write down hash in format text. But what is the value? Here is the value. This is the phone number that we want to write and starting by 0. So after putting the value, we have to uh, put comma, double quotes, and as I said, just write down 0 and 10 hash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, close with two quotes, two double quotes, I mean, and click enter. So, guys, here we have the phone number correctly. But some guys want, for example, to add the dialing code of the country. No worries. Just, for example, here in Egypt, the dialing code is starting by 20. Just write down 2 or add 2 to the equation, it will reflect correctly. Oh, the dialing code is starting by plus 20. No worries, just add plus, and so on. So this is for today, guys. If anyone has a comment, please leave it, and I will reply accordingly. Thanks for watching.